You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English correctly. Yes, it's a bit confusing, I know, because there are different pronunciations indeed in English. So let's go through. The British English pronunciation is as destitute. Destitute. Yes, the T at the end is pronounced like ch, okay, not t. Destitute. A stress on the first syllable. Now the American English pronunciation, as it's pronounced in the US as opposed to the UK, destitute. 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 American English pronunciation, destitute. British English. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.